somewhere right now, an entire plant just went silent. Because hidden somewhere in all that steel is a flaw nobody can see. And when that happens, they don't call a manager. They don't call a consultant. And they don't call a meeting. They call an inspector. Ultrasound that hears through solid steel. X-rays that photograph the inside of a weld. And magnetic fields that drag buried secrets up to the surface. Crimson dye that bleeds from cracks too fine to see. And a certified eye that reads a finished weld, like a confession. But here's the thing. Nobody is born knowing how to read steel. Every single expert they call started out exactly where you are right now. The best NDT and CWI training on the internet launches August 1st. And next time everything stops, they'll call you.